Hi, my name is Shelley Miller from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and we just finished our second deal with Jerry and got this check for a cool $10,000. Having been a real estate investor just over a year, I'm fairly new to the industry. What I've learned from Jerry is how to find the deals and what real estate investors are looking for in that investment property. What I love about Jerry's programs compared to any other I have been part of, and I've been a part of a few different real estate investing courses, is that not only does he take you step by step through the program, but he doesn't leave you at the end of the program for you to figure things out on your own when you're in the real world. He's there to answer questions, and if by chance you have a great deal and it fits within his parameters, he may just work with you and purchase the deal from you. Thank you so much, Jerry. It's been a pleasure working with you on these last two properties, and we look so forward to working with you on more deals in the near future. Good luck, everyone.